Okay, it's gonna be super easy and simple. Now I got some pineapple, so we're gonna be doing a pineapple smoothie. Beautiful pineapple smoothie this evening from Chef Ricardo. So what we're gonna do, it is a pineapple smoothie, so we're gonna put some pineapple into the blender. All right, we're gonna be using a large portion of fresh pineapple into the blender. Okay, all right, so we got the pineapple. Wow, don't go anywhere. I'm gonna use some beautiful fresh pineapple. So we got the pineapple. That's looking good. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, I'm going to get some lemon and also, so we're going to put some lemon and some ginger. We're not gonna be using too much of a lemon though. All right. Yeah. Not gonna be using that too much of a lemon. We're just gonna keep it simple and effective and beautiful. All right. So right here we got roughly about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon into it. All right. Ginger. I like my ginger, so I'm gonna put a piece of a fresh ginger inside of it also. All right, because the ginger definitely will bring off a lovely taste and flavor to it. All right, so right here we got some fresh ginger. I'm gonna put this fresh ginger into it. Now, one thing come to my mind what I would love to do, and I think I may do it, is I'm gonna get some banana, because banana and pineapple do works really well. All right, and choose a smoothie. So we're gonna put some ripe banana inside of it, 1 medium size ripe banana. Okay, just like this and like that. That is lovely. Yeah, so we're gonna just call it as a pineapple and ripe banana smoothie, and I think it's a beautiful recipe right there so far. So what we're gonna do next, all right? I'm gonna be using some almond milk, all right? So we're gonna put some almond milk into it. All right, roughly about half a cup of almond milk into it. Nice one. So once you put that inside of it, all right, well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put on the lid right here. All right, so that's the way it looks right there, guys. Okay, so we're going to take this to a blend. All right, and we're going to make a little bit of a noise. So let's make some noise in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking. Lovely. So we're going to, wow, that is delicious, guys. Honestly, oh my days. Now take a good look at this. All right, that's the way it look. Beautiful and nice. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just pour it out in our beautiful mug right here. Okay. just like this. Wow. That is excellent. Wow. I got some raspberry. No, blueberry. Can just put them on top. Excellent. That is beautiful, guys. 100%. I don't know what you guys think, but leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes like these will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you. As you can see, it is just an amazing, incredible recipe today from Chef Ricardo. So stay blessed, and I'll see you next time.